So we're going to make the doggy today. These two strips are about 3 centimeters wide, and it really just depends on how long you want to make your bookmark. So I made a shorter one here and a longer one here. For the shorter one, you only actually need one strip cut across A4, but it really doesn't matter. I think that looks nice. Firstly, cut out a little patch, eye patch for my doggy. I think the eye will go here. And then I'm going to glue the eye down. I think that's really cute already. Now we're going to cut out some ears. So add a bit of glue. Okay, and now it's time for its little paws. Now the good thing about this process is I think each time you stick some of the card down or paper down, you're actually adding a layer and you're thickening your bookmark, which means it will hopefully last you longer. Now I'm going to just cut straight across at the bottom, and I'm going to cut here and all around the arms. So now you can either use the piece that's left over and then you have a you know, that kind of length, or you can use the other one to make it longer. So it's really just your choice. I've actually decided that I quite like this length, so even though I said at the beginning you're going to need 2, one's enough, clearly. Now you're going to add glue to the head, not the arms, okay? Don't put any on the arms, just the head bit. So glue here, this out. This also gives the ear a little bit more strength because it's on a bit of white card, not all of it. And then you can just trim the bottoms just for that little extra cuteness and neatness. And you have your very own doggy bookmark.